Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account on this platform. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home, we have of course the send, the wallet, we have the activity and the help. We have the send and request buttons and a lot of different buttons here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw money from PayPal. So guys, this is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I will be showing you now. First of all, go to wallet, which is the third option out of all of the options and tabs here. We have the home, send and wallet. Click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, of course, log in if you haven't already. Then click on transfer. Just a second, I have to put some securities. So after that, you just need to guys go and click on, when you click on wallet, you need to go and click on the security. Go click on transfer money, click transfer to your bank. Then when you click transfer to your bank, then guys, what you need to do is of course, go and click select instant, fee applies or standard fee, and then follow the instructions. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.